Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to convert text into a PDF document. This process is simpler than you might think and offers many benefits. PDFs are excellent for sharing documents because they maintain their original look, no matter where they are viewed. We'll cover various methods, from quick online tools to more robust software options, ensuring your text looks professional and is easily accessible to anyone you share it with. One of the easiest ways to convert text is by using the Print to PDF option. Simply open your text document, select Print, and then choose Microsoft Print to PDF or a similar option as your printer. Another convenient method involves online converters. Just upload your text file to a reputable website, and it will quickly generate a PDF for you to download. These methods are perfect for straightforward conversions. For more control over your PDF, consider using word processing software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. These programs let you fine-tune your document's layout, fonts, and images before exporting it directly as a PDF. If you need advanced features, such as merging multiple documents, adding watermarks, or setting password protection, dedicated PDF software offers a comprehensive solution. These tools give you professional-grade results. To ensure your converted PDF looks its best, always take a moment to review it thoroughly. Check for any formatting errors, missing text, or image issues before finalizing. If your document contains sensitive information, remember to utilize security features like password protection. This helps safeguard your content and ensures only authorized individuals can access it. Following these simple tips will help you create high-quality, secure PDF files every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.